Hello and welcome back to my channel Qubit Educational Services. In this video we are going to solve the 41st question from the ICER aptitude test model paper 2. Okay, this question can be very easily solved by picking up various cases and thereby eliminating 3 of the 4 options, and whatever remains will be the correct option. Okay, so this question says that let f of x be equal to mod x raised to a, where a is a non-zero real number. For what values of a is f of x differentiable at x equal to 0? For all non-zero a, for all a greater than 1, for no values of a, for all a different from 1 and 0. Okay, now we observe that the only restriction that they have put is on a is that it is a non-zero real number. Okay, so it can be positive, it can be negative. Okay, now when we look at mod x, we know that mod x is definitely not differentiable at x equal to 0. Okay, remember throughout this problem the talk of differentiability will be concerned only when x is equal to 0 or at x equal to 0. Okay, so clearly mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0, we know that very well. So this means that when a is equal to 1, the function is no longer differentiable. Okay, now when they say for all non-zero a, even if we found one counter example, it is enough. So option A is ruled out. Okay, yes. Now if I pick a to be 2, okay, then mod of x squared, this is as good as squaring x. Okay, because square of all real numbers is non-negative. Okay, so mod of x raised to 2 is as good as x squared, and we know that x squared is differentiable at x equal to 0. What does it mean? It means that c can be now eliminated, because it says for no values of a. No, if a is equal to 2, then it is very well differentiable at x equal to 0. So clearly c is also not right. So now we have eliminated 2 of them. Let us now consider an example through which we can rule out option D. Okay, so what I have done is I have picked a as negative 1 upon 2. If you see, why can we take a to be negative? Because the only restriction on a is that it is a non-zero real number. Okay, so if I take a as minus 1 upon 2, then f of x will be mod x raised to minus 1 upon 2, which means 1 upon root of mod x. Okay, we very well know that reciprocal means raised to minus 1 and root means raised to 1 upon 2. Okay, now is f of 0 even defined here? No, it is not. And if f of 0 is not defined at that point, we can, no question of differentiability arises. It is definitely not continuous and therefore not differentiable there. So D is ruled out, because D says that for all values of a different from 1 and 0. Okay, so if it is not 1 and 0, if a is not equal to 1, and definitely it can't be 0 because they have said that it is a non-zero number. Okay, so for all other values they say that it is differentiable at x equal to 0, but we have now picked one value of a, that is negative 1 upon 2, where it is not. Okay, so we have ruled out option D. So then the option that remains is for all values of a greater than 1, assuming that it is the situation. Okay, because we know that in these tests only one of the 4 options is going to be correct. So in this case it is definitely option B, because A, C and D are incorrect. All right, yes. See, now it is a very crucial part to choose the values of a to eliminate the options. Okay, and the first choice of a was pretty obvious because of the presence of mod x. Okay, because we know that it is not differentiable at 0. Okay, and then these two choices are very crucial as far as the problem is concerned. A equal to 2 and a equal to minus 1 upon 2, and so you can say that if at a equal to 1 it is not differentiable, let us try for a equal to 2. Okay, and that's what we typically do, and that helps us eliminating option C. And yes, you can take any negative power and see whether it works. Okay, and what I've done is I've taken a as negative 1 upon 2. It has successfully eliminated option D, and therefore it is option B. All right, so a very simple question, which of course you can solve by being smart. Okay, by eliminating the options. Yes, so question 41B. In the next video we will solve question 42.